and she's a wonderful character. She's well known around Ballymena and all, you know. And people, when they see her, they shout at her. And I'm glad to see that you've got Rosie there beside me. Rosie, would you come over there to that mic there? Or we'll get the mic over to you. Now, Rosie, you were involved on this wee cottage here, and they call it Rosie's Cottage. I was down at that cottage, and you were doing a wee bit of baking. And this baking is tremendous. I went in one night, and you were baking pancakes. And to tell you the truth, when I tasted one, I tasted two. And when I tasted two, I tasted three. And I don't know what way you made them, but they were very, very tasty. And I seen other ones licking their lips, and I in the pit when the last one was left, they're all debating who would get it. Could you tell us how to make these pancakes?
I keep that as a wee secret, how to make these pancakes.
Well, would you not tell us how to mix them anyhow?
Yes, I'll tell you how to mix them.
Right.
You get your basin, your baking soda, your salt, and your plain flour. None of this self-raising flour. And you put 2 good gopins of flour in the basin.
What do you mean 2 good gopins?
2 good gopins, man dear, do you know what a gopin is?
No.
A good handful.
Oh, I see.
Yes. So you put 2 good gopins of flour into your basin, a level teaspoonful of baking soda, and about half a teaspoonful of salt, and a good handful of sugar.
A handful of sugar?
Yes.
Is that a big handful or?
No, well, my hands are not that big, so that wouldn't be all that much.
Right.
But anyhow, and then you sift it all up with your hands. And you make a wee well in the centre, and you crack in your egg. And then you start with your buttermilk, and you have the buttermilk regulated, you have the batter just to what you want. And of course, you have to get your griddle on, first of all, and get the fire going, which is Pearl's job to get the fire going when I go. And we get the griddle greased, and then we start to put on our pancakes. So there's not much to making pancakes, is there?
Well, I seen you, and how many did you make out of that handful of these groups and this handful of sugar? How many did you make out of that?
I wouldn't have a clue how many I made, but I do know there was a lot.
I would say there was a lot, because there must have been 10 or 15 people in the cottage that night, and the pancakes were going like snow of a ditch.
Yes, that's right.
And they were very, very tasty. Now, I know that you bake more than pancakes.
I do, but I bake soda scones. I've never got to baking them in the griddle and Rosies.
Why not?
I don't know why. We just never had time, I think.
Well, could you tell us how you make a good soda?
Just the same as the pancakes, only you don't make the dough as thin.
Right.
Yes, just the same as the pancakes, only you don't make the dough just as thin. You make it out, you can handle it with your hands and roll it out, like squeeze it out the back of your hand. You don't use a rolling pin, you just put it out the back of your hand.
So you're not going to tell us the secret ingredients that you put onto these pancakes and scones to make them taste so good?
Oh, I did tell you, it was baking soda and salt and sugar and eggs and buttermilk.
And when I got the pancakes, you put a drop of jam on.
I did a bit of butter and a wee drop of good handmade raspberry jam.
Raspberry jam?
Yes.
Well, I'm telling you, they were very tasty. But I know, Rosie, that you have had some very important people on that wee cottage.
Boys, we have.
Who were they?
Well, even at the Lord Mayor of London.
Well,
I made pancakes for the Lord Mayor of London. Imagine.
Yeah, I imagine that. Did he eat many of these pancakes?
Oh, I was that excited, you know, when I noticed what he had.
And had you any other famous guests?
Oh yes, there was a lot of people that day, wasn't there, Pearl? I don't really know who they were, mind you.
Well, you were looking at them, they were very
and what's more, I actually showed one man how to put the pancakes in the griddle, and he was mesmerised at baking pancakes in an open fire.
Yeah. Is the cottage open these nights, or is there one particular night that you can go to this cottage?
Oh no, you have to book the cottage.
You have to book?
Oh yes.
Well, have you a phone number there that anybody could book it?
Well, you may ask Pearl that question.
Pearl, What's that number?
The number is 29540
How long now? 29540
517.
517. Just repeat that again, Per. Now, take it easy and go slow.
The number is, it's a Kilrea number, 29540 517.
That's good. What nights